of what many have been waiting for.
This is a big game. This is why everybody came out here so early this morning for this game right here.
Bakuro Nabele Nasoko stays alive. They shift the ball. It's 2-on-1. Mote Nathangi for Fiji.
And it is over. How about that?
Cut out ball for Lankota. 1-on-1 with Tuai. Beats him. Lankota, what a tournament he's having. Tom Yosevo, the speedster. That's why he's in the team. Samoa hit back straight away.
We've seen them go 105 metres before. 40 seconds to do it. More than capable.
10 seconds on the clock, Samoa. The counter ruck from Fiji. Running down inside Nasoko. It's going to put Fiji into the semi-finals. Goes in and away. And in the dying seconds of the game, run 95 metres. Absolute delight and relief. What a try, what a play, what a finish.